Going on, people. Pardon the hair, innit? Playing footy before, I've also got the wrong lights on, for fuck's sake. Good start. Streaming in the dark. No, I don't like that. That was too bright yesterday. Take some warming up or something. Fuck knows. You getting blinded by the light behind me? Fuck all, yeah. But yeah, back into it. Good day. Busy day today. So I'm going to show you what I've been working on first, because I like it. But yeah, I've been working on building a fucking, like, in the prop space. I really like the tools they have. But obviously I don't like the result in what happens. So like the daily drawdowns, maximum drawdowns, things like that, like lockout mechanisms they have at Top Step. It's a good tool, and I think like psychology is the hardest part of trading. It is. Like mine is shit. Like when I take some losses, boy, will I continue to take some losses. Like I'm so bad at it. So I've just been trying to build something that just does the psychology for me and just like forces me to take a minute. So yeah, I've been building this using AI to code it and that. It's not fully functional. It's not fully there yet. It opens trades, all the limit stuff work well. After it moves stop loss to break even, say after 50 pips, like once it's done that, for some reason it just spazzes out and says, "God, nothing to modify." Like it keeps trying to modify the stop loss that isn't there anymore. It's frustrating me a bit, but I've run out of credits on the AI as well, so it is what it is. We are. How when I turn that way, does the light get more in the screen? Fuck it. Yeah, so basically you got the account tab, shows your account equity. So the floor is whatever you set. Let's get the parameters up first. Let me look at them as well. So it does your daily loss percentage, your max risk per trade in dollars, max daily risk. That tool's not working, and I don't want it to be max daily risk. I want it to be like max overall exposure. Because you can be open, have a few trades open at once. So I want it to just limit it at 200. Max lots per trade 5. I'm only trading gold. It should never go above that. I do go above that. Fuck, are we dropping like? Question is, are we going to continue dropping or fuck off? Gold analysis can come later. Yeah, so max trades per day, max lot size per trade, and then maximum consecutive losses. So if you take 3 losses in a row, it locks you out. Risk per trade 1%. This bit doesn't really work. I'm trying to figure those two tabs out yet. It's coded itself for prop firm mode. I didn't even ask for that, but like some people want to use it with props, I imagine. And then I'm going to add the 4 props that I recommend on here. And it'll customize it based on the rules and what you should risk, what I recommend you risk, which will be in that guide that I'm doing. So say it'll be risk 1%, and it'll say, or you'll be on fivers. You could pick fivers, then there'll be another tab, and it'll be like which stage you on, stage 1 or 2, and we can fully customize per prop, and yeah, it's gonna be fucking sick. And then so trade settings, default stop loss, break even after 50 pips, default trail pips. So that's, you can turn trailing stop loss on. I don't know why you wouldn't. You would. I don't really do it. But yeah, what's going down? Called it in chat, ping but spread. Hurry up then. Waiting on a little buy, 4504. You look blitzed. I am blitzed. Yeah, I saved a little wrongus for after footy. Oh, do you know what? I scored a screamer at footy as well. Goal of the night by far, and then me fucking old man. little Perlo whipper into the top bins from defence. It was beautiful. Hello, gorgeous. What's up, lads? Appreciate that. Don't get many fans. Ever seen my Instagram pop in today as well? That video of a bull smashing some dude over. You going live? Yeah, I'm live. Yeah, 4504's going well, isn't it, bro? Good work. Yeah, but the views. So I posted this yesterday. 70 followers. That's not since I've been on this. Got 40 followers literally since being on this stream. Maybe a little bit longer, but like 10, 15 minutes. Mad. The views are flying. Oh, fucking hell, that video's popping off. Bap, bap, bap. Yeah, so my videos are just getting like really weird spikes out of nowhere. Like a good few hours after, but I've just had one do 133k views. That one was on like 40 when I went to play footy, maybe 50. This one here, $250,000, come on. No, $750,000, sorry. You got over 10k views. Yeah, it's a video of a bull absolutely smashing some dude on some bull run. Unfortunate, he's definitely been mashed up. But yeah, the views were pretty flat all day yesterday until this morning, and today it's rocketed. It's gone from 20k to 755k. I'm basically famous. It worked, you knob. Do you mean it fucking worked? Shut the fuck up. Did you take 60 pips? I know what fucking size trades you're trying to hold. You big rat bag. Oh, that's actually a bit out of order. Take that back. You're a little rat bag. But yeah, this is this before I start getting back on the Instagram. No one cares. I'm just famous now. But yeah, sessions. So you could pick, like, you set your New York session, a London session, and it only lets me trade within the session. I need to add some time in for Asian session as well. But end it there. It's doing all right, and it's just like, this is your psychology tool. You can enter a limit, whatever your price wanted to be in there. Set your stop loss, buy limit, sell limit. Obviously, we'll do a buy stop or sell stop, depending whether it's above or below. And then the execute buttons: buy, sell, obviously market order, close 25, close 50, close all. Break even now. That's why I'm thinking I'm going to turn the automatic break even off if it's causing these fucking issues, and just have it so you can break even yourself. And then this part is the fucking coolest. So you got the invalidate high, invalidate low. So say you set a limit, right, and you're like, oh, I'm going to go bed. What limit you set in? I haven't done any analysis like this. I'm fucking, I saved my fib levels, is right. But I haven't analysed on C-Trader for a long time. So I apologise for any boomer behaviour. Yeah, so say you wanted to take this 78 here. Why is it not on there? How do you use this fucking app, man? This is all I used to use. Before I converted, TraderAE so much better, man. There we go. 78.4. You've been smoking. 0.6. Okay, cool. So you're taking this 78. See, I spotted it in the exact place. That's a fucking hell of a trade. We'll get that on the trading view in a minute. It works, you knob. There you go. Nice little runner. Check Discord. I need to close that one. What, elite chat? I didn't want to join that. Fuck off. Just join the fucking live room in the Discord. Partials taken. Marcus milking the buys, yeah, from 88. You still got a runner on that as well, lads. Ooh. Look at him fucking bragging in the group here. It's the elite room. I haven't actually looked. Josh is dead. I don't think he's still replied. I hope no one says nothing bad. 400 pips. Nice runner. Showing off a bit of Marcus there. Oh, and he's got in again. Fucking milking. Milking. Fair dues, bro. Well done for nearly passing. Well done for not being a little bitch ass and just sitting and saving your dough. The best trading times are when like you've fucked up and you've lost a lot of your dough and you've lost a few accounts and you're like, can't really afford to deposit right now. Well, I can't really afford that funded account right now, but you fucking do it anyway, and you just booyakasha. Oh, it's coming back for you now, though, isn't it? But yeah, so this fucking hell, I get sidetracked so easy. So invalidate high and low. So yeah, say you set your fib and you wanted this 78. You could set it so invalidate low. So you could set it at whatever this price is here. And if price breaks that, it'll cancel your order because obviously it invalidates the fib, it invalidates the level, and it stops you taking the losses. And then where's the other fucking cool one? Oh, it's in these settings, isn't it? So it's got oh, I've deleted it. Right, but it's gonna have a setting. It definitely does on the MetaTrader one. It's gonna have a setting where if price comes up, say you had this 70 fib here and you had a pending and price comes up and it's moved away and it's clearly missed, you can set like an amount of pips that it misses by, and then say that would be what, 30 pips, 40 pips. If you had it at 40 pips and it missed, and then like it come up, got within 40 pips, didn't hit your level, and then dropped and then stayed away from your level for 10 minutes or more, but you can set the time, it's custom, it'll cancel your order. So like if it comes and misses and like you're away at work and you're busy, like this shit will keep running, and you can do it on a VPS or a cloud server, and you can do that within TraderAE, which is really good. And you stop being shit. And then if you do break any of your rules, so you fucking hit your floor, your max trades, 3 losses in a row, whatever it may be, to unlock it, you have to put a password in. And I'm either going to do it so you put the password in, you've still got to wait an hour, or you put a password in and only I've got the password. You have to actually come to me and be like, oh, Alex, I've been a dickhead, right? I've done this, and this. And nobody's going to want to do that because I'll be so fucking horrible to you that you've just got to fucking stick to your rules. And then this news button as well, news on, news off. It tells you when the next news is. It tells you, like, I can set it for red folder, US news, whatever. Like, obviously I'll probably tailor it for gold mainly. News on, so, and then you can set 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, 30 minutes, whatever, and it'll just, again, it won't let you open any trades. It won't close, and then you can also set it so it'll automatically close your trade if I don't know, gone. You can automatically close your trade. Oh yeah, if there's news coming, it'll close it like a few minutes out as well. But yeah, there you have it. Where she goes. I'll enter a little trade now just to show you all how great it fucking is. Execute trades. So we'll go. I've got a 50 stop loss, or I should do. See, there's something going on here. I've gone dodgy with the code. It was working earlier, and then I changed something to make it look a bit prettier. And I don't know what it's trying to do. Yes, it's better on MT5. It's easier to code, but right, fucking close 25. Close all. I'm glad you asked that, though, because I'll show it and then turn it off, because it fucking... So yeah, it's a work in progress on C-Trade. It was working earlier, but there was way too many panels and options on the side, but I just fucked it off to make it a bit neater, and now I've fucked the code up. But MT5, this one. Yeah, again, it's a bit messy on MT5, but you got all the tabs. I prefer it. It's a bit better on MT5. And trading on the desktop with MT5 sucks. I don't know how anyone does it, but yeah, accounts the same. Account equity, the floor, daily loss, daily profit and loss, open risk, risk percentage used, how many trades, session I've set on all this one. Tells you on this one, it tells you the news. To get it on C-Trade, I've got to buy this additional bot for it to say that. I'm not fucking doing that. If it still tells you there is news, it's not what it is. But yeah, 12 jobless claims, trailing stop loss on and off. and set how far it trails by. Break even after pips, I wouldn't have it at 20, but yeah. And then when you open a trade, apply break even now, limit order price, partial close, you can do any of them. Close and move stop loss to break even. I'm assuming it closes 50%. I'll have to check that, get the number put onto the tool. When you got any trades open, so let me just open a trade now. Yeah, it's got the same invalidate if it breaks the high or the low, the news buffer on or off, password to reset, and then it's got a close up. Oh, fuck off, that is a right click. It's got the close all positions button. And then this one fully minimized is on and off as well. But yeah, it's so much better. So much fucking better. But this is on EU now, so we'll take a buy. Puts the stop loss in straight away. Yeah. That's it on MT5. I can share that. I'll put that in the group as well, Sam. I'll put the MT5 software and that in there. I'd quite like you to test it, to be honest. Tell me what else it needs. Because I'm just trying to build like the best fucking like psychology tool just to stop us all crashing out. Because I'm going to do a really big push on people using live accounts, and because the prop space is in a fucking pickle. Like all this shit I'm seeing about FTMO, I'm hearing a lot about fivers. How do you get hold of this software? Let me send it you right now, Sam. Oh, I won't. I need to finish the guide. Right, I'll send it in the morning. That's literally my job tonight after I come off the stream. In the morning, I'll send it all into the group. I'll be making an instruction booklet on all the settings and stuff, and then just have a test on a demo account tomorrow. Oh, it's your morning, isn't it? Right. Fuck it, yeah, I'll send it you now. You can't see now. Cool. Yeah, the little private group chat I got with Max and Josh in the group. The name of the chat is a bit naughty. Forward. Right, yeah, Sam, I've just forwarded you that message with the MT5 file. Have a go. If you got any questions on uploading, I'm not that I don't want you to ask me, but fucking, I'll be googling it anyway. So you're probably smarter than me. You'll find out the answer faster. But if not, just ask. Let me know. Yeah, I'll be in the testing phase of that for a few days. But right, fucking enough on that now. I've been bragging about my code. Like 3 years ago, I was going to learn to code. It was going to take me like 2-3 years. I was going to pay like 5k. I've been fucking around just on Claude today, and there's literally no point in being a coder. Is that what they're called? A programmer? A coder? Don't know. But right, fuck that off. Fuck that off. And there we have it. Back to what we want to see. So gold. I deleted all my chart again. As I said yesterday, I love the fucking analysis paralysis. Whoa. God, I gotta stop drinking these fizzy drinks on these fucking streams, man. It's so rude. You fat pig. It's the fucking point about being on stream, lad. Obviously, I gotta chat shit. You don't have to fucking watch it, you baghead. But I'm funny. Do you know what I mean? I like chatting to myself. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not saying that. Right, I'll get you some fucking good analysis in then. Obviously, that 78 is done. Could tell you blitzed. I'd be like this if I wasn't blitzed, lad. I promise you. I promise you. But yeah, I'm a last bong. I've got nothing left, so that's a bit less exciting. It's good though. I need to stop. Put my head back on. Make some dough. Get some honeys. Get less fat. After that fucking ugly heifer like me on. I can't even call him a heifer. That was a dude. He definitely had a dick. Or Moto. That 78 was beautiful. Talking about that yesterday on stream. I tried to take that lower level. It was a dumb idea. Beautiful, clean on the 4 hour. Retesting this level. pinned, come all the way down to 61. And I'm still bearish, man. I know we got a lot of bullish move. Of course, I got took out break even on that short last night. Would have been heavy. It would have been heavy, lads. Proper heavy. Not as heavy as fucking. How long does this tool last? What do you mean? Forever? Yeah, forever? I don't know. Yeah, you just have the file forever. On CTrader, like, I can share it so it just stays with the person. So I need to figure out how to do that on MT5s. People aren't stealing my masterpiece. But yeah, you should be able to use it forever. I would use it on a demo first and play around with it, read the instructions and all that, and then see where you are. And I want to try and make one that goes on TradingView. Basically, I just want to. What was you about to say as heavy as your ex? Of course you wanted to mention that. Like, when I start blowing up, I bet you start saying that when I got thousands of people on here as well. But I do have to say, Marcus, considering he's an ugly bastard, has possibly shagged one of the fittest birds. It's the fittest bird of someone I know that they've smashed. Like, it's fucking impressive. Yeah. I let her put a ciggy out on my eyeball, like, and enjoy it. But yeah, sells, waiting for the 88. That transition, just back to the charts. Yeah, this 88, nice and simple. Alright. Hey, lad, get your bird watching, yeah. Get your bird watching and we'll have this chat again, yeah. Or use this gym skin. Yeah, that 88's clean. I can see it working. I can see it not working as well. Again, very empty comment. Apologies. But yeah, I think that 78's going to hold, and it usually goes 78 down to 23, which is quite a nice little level. I can see. I'm pointing at the screen with my finger, like you guys can see my finger. I'm sound. Yeah. I bet. What are you still doing up anyway, lads? It's not bedtime. You're not got an early wake up. I keep not taking advantage of the fact that the clocks have changed in America early, so I could be doing this at fucking 10 o'clock. Not 10:45. But I just could not be arsed. I really didn't want to do this today, but now I'm in the flow chatting to myself. It's not too bad. Cuppa and a little fucking bicky. Oh, you've made me want a little hot chocolate now. I'm definitely going in the shop for a little late night ice cream. I've been fucking dying for some ice cream for a while. Fucking hell, lads. You've got to start taking some of your profit. Like, I know you want to be passing shit and that, but like, you make a lot of profit and just try and eke it out a little bit longer. Like, just close some. Take some fucking partials, man. Off tomorrow. What day's tomorrow? Thursday. What we doing? Why are we off? Tearing round the ends, or these Instagram notifications are actually doing my fucking head in now. Like, it's nice to be getting some traction finally, but like, I've posted 183 fucking times. It's finally 775k. What are we on now? Yeah, 775. It's on 25k since I talked about it. Bird's birthday Friday. Going Spa, bro. Oh, nice. What Spa, lad? I'll just turn up and crash it. Get myself a rent-a-hoe. Just so I don't look like I'm going on my own. Just ball in. Get a dress all like successful in that though. Like a suit or something. Power suit to the Spa. So I don't look like I'm F. Fucking Oh, he's going carding, lads. I used to live around there, me. Fucking every single person I know has worked there, apart from me. Some bird that I know. Oh, my dad's phoning me. One sec, gang. You're getting muted. Uh... That was fucking mad. I can't believe you just phoned me for that. Appreciate the sub as well. Sorry, I was on the phone, bruv. The real yes, Harache. Keep it up. Who are you, lads? Why do I feel like you're Josh? Now, you called me sir. You can't be Josh. But Josh would just have Bin Laden as his profile picture. It's a proper Josh thing to do. His old, was it his WhatsApp one or something? It was like these little African kids all just around this woman with their tits out. Fucking well funny. But then again, I got fucking, I don't know if you can see it. I got Putin and Kim Jong-un stood outside me fucking door as my thing, and I got a taxi the other week and left my phone in there. Obviously, I phoned the taxi rank up with a different phone to try and get it back, and the woman was like, oh, which phone is it? We've had a few in today. And I was like, oh, yeah, fucking, I've lost my snosh. You're not Josh. Interesting. Well, I like your profile picture, sir. It's good. Yeah, so anyway, the woman fucking God, that is proper I am blitz, can't remember what I'm saying, I've done it twice now. Come on, someone's gotta remind me. A woman. What would I be talking about, a woman? Boom, phone in the taxi. Yes, and she says, which phone is it? Can you describe it? And I was like, well, it's blue. It's in the dark blue case. She was like, all the phones here are that. And I was like, it's got Kim Jong Un and Putin on the screensaver and shit. Like, I just heard the like the lefty fucking. He's right for the reminder. She's like proper like gasps on the phone, shitting herself. And then I'm like, I hated it. And then I get a lift there, go pick it up. And it's different. I walk in and I'm like, I got my phone describing it. The woman can't find it anywhere. She phones the guy and he's like, yeah, I'll come round now. He comes in the front door and he goes, so you're the communist? And it's just like, I'm not a communist. I just think they're just a pair of bad motherfuckers. And it's just so embarrassing. So if before you have like propaganda on your phone, think twice before you leave it in the taxi. That's my knowledge for you there. But yeah, 88 fib sell. I think we're coming down. 4 hour time frame. Like, yes, we have broken this level, but for me, it's not that bullish until we break here. I could very well see it pushing up, but it's one of them just like simple break retests where every spaz and his mum would be taking it because it's just like, baby pips, up, down, break. And I think we're just going to push down a bit further, maybe even to here. So when we get back down on the 1 hour. And it's probably going to be a 78 or an 88 from here. This is the fib as well. It's validated because you can see 23 pinned, 11 little reaction, but it retested to the point. 38's pinned. I'd like to see 50 little reaction, 61.70 break, 78 pedingle. But yeah, 78 will ping. I proper actually appreciate you guys watching as well, because it is literally me just chatting shit, looking at a chart, but I suppose you'll get some knowledge from it. Yeah, so that purple zone, another buy. Could possibly look at this 88 as a backup as well. Got a decent little structure level. We just zoom in. All these wicks, these wicks, this body close, and even that like pins the top of it. Is it a super strong level? No. If the 78 broke, as we can see the fib's valid, would I take it? Most certainly. There's probably a closer buy. Starting from here. Yeah, so that's a 50 pinned as well, so this fib can be valid. Oh, that's the trade. But I was just saying to G on the phone before, about like I've sort of been changing my strategy, or at least what I send into the group, because doing as I say is a lot better than doing as I do. I can tell you that for sure. I don't care about that. Yeah, so like it's just the first level that I see. It's just like where I would normally enter. I'm just leaving it and entering from the next one. So I've been favouring the 88 a lot, but we have been doing a lot of ranging, which, as always, 88's favoured in the range. I need to find that report that I made about the 78 and 88 fib just before I left fucking Gay Hub. And the scammer for moose in pair that is the withdrawals. Yeah, horizontal line. So you got this body close retest and a 78. Yellow is a despicable colour. I can't believe I picked that for my 1 hours. But I'm not changing it right now. So that 78 is key. It's also in an FVG, which I know people don't like it when I start merging strategies. Don't know why. Gets under people's skin. It is a bit harder to learn when I'm throwing in 4 or 5 different things. But when you get an FVG lining up with a 70 fib, that is also a pretty solid zone. So I'm not really helping anyone there. We're plotting it. It can be a condition, and like it can be a condition on the zone. So basically, we come down and 61 breaks, no reaction whatsoever, and we get a strong, absolutely suck your mum to the 61. Then I will enter on the 70. Stops probably below the 78. I feel like if it's going to work, it's going to pin. So there's no point having a massive stop. What's that? Yeah. Just below the midpoint. Yeah, on that wick, we'll do it. So what's that? $12, and then I can see, yeah, going back up to the 50. I'd take a 1 to 3, or just under at this level. Yeah, so that would be conditional. Should leave a little note on there. And then, yeah, if the 61 shows a bit of a reaction, I'll ignore the 70, want the 70 to break, and then get a reaction off the 78. If we get a reaction off the 70.7, that confirms that I'll probably take the 88 trade, but you can't really not take this 88 trade, because look at this fucking structure zone here. It is just below it, so you'd obviously have to take care with where you place your stop loss. And let me actually find out where this structure zone is. I always end up having to draw a few boxes and then just see what See what fits a bit nicer, because it could be 2 zones, you see. Yeah, and then I would plot a little horizontal right on this one, because that's what a fucking trend line. Which one was it? This one. I wrote my stop loss below this level. We'll call it that one for now. But yeah, stop loss below that little liquidity mark. Sweet. There's the zones, there's the levels. Some beautiful knowledge. Picking which zone. That one was the 88, so we'll just fuck this one off for now. Drop a little horizontal line on there. Nah, not that interested. And then I'm also going to plot previous day low and previous day high. See if this lines up with any of our levels. And previous day low, aka PDL. PDL Tommy Robinson. Previous day high. Oh, they're green and red as well. God, I got pretty charts, me. And then, yeah, I want one of these really to be broken before we do anything. I'd like it to push a bit further down. Sweep the PDL, react from this FVG midpoint, this 70 fib zone, or the 78, and then boom. Smoke back up, and we're going to have a super bullish day. I could do that fucking tonight, really, couldn't it? Sharp drop down there, and then bullish all day tomorrow. And then fuckery on Friday. And we get some big flips going. You do signal, sir? I do, man. I do. In the description on this video, there'll be a link. There's a link, and it says... There's a lot of links, because, you know, I'm trying to monetize this shit. And which one is it? Join Legacy Exchange Academy brackets LEA community, and there's a WAP link there. You can join BAP. Are we getting conversions? That's crazy. But yeah, get on it, man. We got a Discord. Yes, lads. Appreciate that. I don't think I am, but we're getting there. I want to have the GOAT community though. I want to shit on all these other communities where just like, don't know what it is. Everyone whose community it is when they get to the top, they just become unbearable. And like, I am unbearable, but just in a different way. Do you know what I mean? So I hope that doesn't happen. Oh look, we're coming down now. We started it. Said it was coming down, and it's coming down. I'm better. Do you know what, lads? The craziest part is, right, I used to see you killing it a couple of years ago. Like, we've been in the same communities and I've never known who you are, but see you killing it. Circle? What do you fucking mean, circle, bruv? But yeah, like, you've always been in the same communities and that. You were making fat payouts and big trades, and I was just seeing it, and you do your little trade review or whatever. And it was just, oh, lads, he kills it. It used to fucking piss me off. And now, I am the greatest. There you go, little stories for you there. That's sort of it, really, in terms of gold levels. Should we have a look at a bit of silver? Oh, God, we should have took these trades today. Right, so the rare, I would have taken a loss here. So, maybe I shouldn't. I didn't trade silver today. This strat now, you are. Ha I'm not even, lad. Max actually is. Like, he doesn't even use it anymore, but Max is the gold GOAT at the minute. That's it. So, not only do you get me for the entertainment factor, just the world's best fucking group. Do you sell? I would say no. Like, I do think it's going to go down, but I don't have a trade entry. So I would say no, not right now. But the signals I do have for you would be first possible buy down here. So I need to leave that fib on then, don't I? Make it nice and clear for people. So if this level here, if that breaks, no reaction, take this one. If it reacts even in the slightest, I'm talking like little $4, $5 move, wait and go off this yellow level. So, and I'd even put a pend in here, bruv. Put a pending at 4421.6. Discipline. I am not the discipline man. That's why I'm doing things to help discipline. I'm a crash out artist. At one point, I tried to start a crash out capital and just do streams and that of me crashing out, but yeah, I know. But yeah, that would be your first level. 4421.46. I'd have your stop loss below this here. So 120, 130 pip stop loss. And then I would target 4500 area. If you're not going to be sitting and watching live. If you're going to be sitting and watching live, take that if the 61 breaks. But yeah, targeting even the 50 fib, to be honest. Little 1 to 5. What a time that was. In it, G, in it. And I crash out capital. As in Portugal at his house. Just like, bare bones. Everything had gone to shit. Just got back from Vietnam after burning my life up. That's the best part about trading. You can bounce back rapid. And I'll teach people to do it, man, and then we'll get loads of dough. I've been looking at crazy shit as well to buy, obviously. First of all, Porsches. Look at this fucking madman of a car. Insane. That is getting bought this year. Watch this fucking space. I'll be whipping the donuts and just probably picking up fat birds in it, to be honest. But yeah, I've been looking. I wanted to show that as well. So see, yeah, this is everyone crying about FTMO. Can I get a bit smaller? Yeah. Everyone crying about FTMO and Fivers saying payout delays. These prop firm squads and prop firm review pages are just blackmailing maggots. Like, they just get one person that's been treated a bit shitty and they'll be like, oh, if you don't give me the best affiliate deals, I'll smoke you. And they all call themselves lawyers and shit, but they're all retards. Nah, crash, like crash out. Like when you lose the plot and you just fucking crash out. I don't know how else to explain that, really. That was a prime example. But yeah, going through this, I hope it's not super blurry in that. But all the issues. There's Fiverr's issue. It was an AWS server outage last week. A few other companies were suffering with things from that. We had a little issue with a few bits. But it was mainly back-end shit that we were looking at. The delays are fine, but yeah. Payout on time. It's mixed, man, and there's a lot of people in the group who've been treated pretty well by them. But I remember being in Calvin's group after FX Cartel, and there was a lad in there. I'm gonna say it was like Gareth or Graham or Grant. I think it was Gareth, and he got like $49,000 payout, something like that, and they took months to pay him. Like I can't. I made that video on Instagram talking about FTMO, and I'm doing this now on stream. I'm never ever gonna get a payout with them now. I never have. Every other platform milked FTMO. Don't know what it is. The stress of them feeling more professional or something. I always mess up. But yeah, there's a lot of people still making good dough. Most of this shit is fake as well. This guy, this Zamco, Scamco. He ain't what he claims to be. He's had loads of fake editing things on his profile and that. I made something about it and he hated it and replied on my Twitter when I used to pay for verified and that, and people used to see my posts. Now I post and it gets fucking one view. Yeah. So yeah, this FTMO thing, I don't know. I don't know. I'll be careful. I'm just get away from props. Like, get in and get out and just fuck them off. Like, they're not good for you. We don't want them. Like, I do want them. I don't want them to disappear, obviously, because they pay me. But yeah, live capital's the way. Learn to flip an account. Use silver. Go aggressive. Spare a couple $100 a month that you got. Go hard, and then you might fuck it and blow it 3-4 times, but the one time it pops and you get to like 1k, 2k, and you've got an account. If you can build that to 5k, you've got the same drawdown you'd have on a 50k account. I don't like it when people are like, oh, I don't know why anyone trades props. Just stick 10k in because that's all you get with 100k. But they never talk about. They never talk about. Like, if you lose it, you lose the whole 10k. So I do understand that, and that's why I like flipping accounts and just starting in low amounts and just try to flip it to a k, 2k, and like loads of guys even in the group have just started it. 18k from TFT. Fuck TFT. Fuck Angelo, the little goat prick. Right, I hate him. Got some stories about there as well. Let's get into that now. I'm just chatting shit. I was working there, yeah. I was in customer support when I used to work there. Best job ever. I was on 20. So I was like a supervisor at a team of like 17 heads, and I was on the night shift and that. I think I was on $26 an hour. And like you just clock in and clock on, and because it would like my shift would be dead all the way through, I'd just kip all the time. Like, I'd work full overnight in the UK, just sleep the whole time, and then I get fucking I'd do a bit of work towards the end, get busy, and I'd work like 2-3 hours over. My team on the weekend, we only had 2 people work on the weekend because it was a night shift, and then one lad got fired because we just couldn't verify any of his documents, couldn't pay him or whatever. So I had to start doing weekends. So I was doing 7 days a week of like 13-hour shifts, but I'd be asleep for like 6-7 of most of them, and just like putting in extra hours. They'd be like, "Oh, I'll do a bit of double if you help with this," and then I was milking it. I'd be getting like you get paid every 2 weeks. Oh, fuck. They never even paid me anything. I never earned a single penny. What buys? Nah, I worked for TFT, yeah, before they shut down. So I worked for TFT when they were the number one prop. Paying out loads, before everyone hated them. I used to do proper good shit. I used to run like the poker tournaments, do chess tournaments. It was the sickest job I've ever had. I used to work with some cool people, but Angela was on MAGA. I remember, so I used to sort like account scales for people, or if they merged accounts. So one guy merged 200k accounts after passing them to become a 400k, and like as you're doing it in the dashboard, so with the tech provider, you do it in the dashboard. You have to edit. You have to add the money to the account, edit a few bits, edit the drawdown, and then you have to edit the starting balance to 400k. And I missed that, right? So it said he had 200k withdrawable profit in the account, but the customer knew he didn't trade it. It was obviously an error. It all got sorted. No one requested it. Oh, right, yeah, from 4,500 is right, man. Tyrone the man. What's the J4E stand for, man? Well, J? Is it like a weird one if you used 4 as an A? God, it's hard to do the chat and then get back to your conversation. But yeah, we're in TFT. So and then I go on holiday after doing that. And there's like a huge like company investigation. They're kicking off about it. Oh, this is a huge thing. Someone's got 200k profit. There's loads of meetings and that. And I'm in Switzerland with my missus having a sick time. It's her birthday. Mega trip. It was actually the day. So we booked this mad, like, it's like a mix between a hotel and something that isn't a hotel. I don't know. But it's like this massive apartment. It had a sauna, had a steam room, hot tub, bath, fucking the biggest bed ever. Like, oh, it was insane. Sick view. But like, we got there and you had to have this code to get in. I just hadn't given me the code and it was late and I couldn't get in. It was raining. It was fucking stressed out my head. But we got in. And then I got a message off my manager just being like, "Oh, I need to have a call with you now." And I'm like, "I'm on fucking holiday," but didn't wait. And they were like, "Oh, I have to give you." She had to give me a full like written warning, like a strike of the 3 strikes and you're out policy, and like I actually fucking other than like sleeping and that, she didn't know I did that, so I can't be like, "Oh," but I did used to do a lot of work and sort a lot of shit out there. Then they fucking done me for that, and Angelo wouldn't stop fucking. He brought it up all the time. He's like 5'2" as well, so if I ever see him, when I go to America and I'm in jail for everyone, bang your doors, bruv. Bang your doors. Have you actually been to jail? It's pretty brazen. I don't think I'd like that. I'm much of a jail guy. Yeah, he's tiny. And then when I'm going to World Cup in the summer, go watch Scotland. And the third game against Brazil's in Miami. And when I'm in Miami, I'm going on the hunt for him. I'm just going to make bare content. Be like, Angelo, where the fuck are you, lad? And if I see him, I swear to God, he's getting kicked in the head. No. Oh, good, man. Well done. Good, man. Upstanding member of society and all that. Yeah, if you took the 500 buys and like it went well, awesome. Happy for you. If you took profit and that, I'm hoping it was this area or this one. Don't know. I've been in cells like, yeah, it doesn't count, lads. I had a little night in Burko. Where did you go? Were you in Liverpool or did they take you to the Wirral? Treat you like a wall. What did you do? You seem like a nice lad, you. You seem like a nice lad, but you seem like you got like a rum brother or something. Like proper head case. Reckon I've hit the nail on the head with that one. 10 to 12. Free the guys. Free rock. Free rock. Free rock. Yeah, everyone. Free rock. Free rock in the chat. Bellevale, bro. Don't know where that is. Should we Google it? Problem is, right, I don't want to... I get scared using like my browsers and shit on stream because I don't know what's going to pop up when I start typing. I know that fucking makes me look like a weirdo and that, but you know, when you just like search shit, like I've just searched so many retarded things making this bar and I don't want everyone to know that I'm a retard. Free rock. Oh, gee! Fuck, man. Have you seen that Ben Cook's in jail? He was saying he wasn't going to get sent down and all that, and he got sent down, and Jacob and Harry didn't. And he got like 15 months or something. Google it. Shropshire fucking... I can't do it on stream. I can't do him like that. Can I do him like that? Fuck it, I'm doing him like that. Ben Cook. Gang... Unravelled Kingpin. Nah, he wasn't a kingpin. I hope he never watches this. This is a proper fucking... The fuck, man? I can't find it. Teen drug dealer who lived a lavish lifestyle. Here he is. Yeah, right. Get this on here now. Here he is. Here's his little mugshot. I know, this is bad, isn't it? I shouldn't be doing this. But yeah, here's his little mugshot, Ben Cook. Fucking long-running police investigation, bro. They got arrested in 2020, and he's literally just been sent down. I was chatting to him when I was in Vietnam, and he was like, "Oh, bro, yeah, I'll meet you in Thailand. And yeah, and he was adamant. Oh, my dad's bought a barrister. Oh, fucking ash. Yeah. Anyway, I'm a fucking rat bag. Fuck it. Watch what fame does to us all. Found dough. I just don't believe he had a machete. That's just not a Ben Cook thing. What do you have? 10 hours of Kenny. Just under a box of weed. Oh, another half hours of buzz. And he's mentioning. But yeah, Ben was the only one out of him and the other two who went to fucking jail, man. Yeah, and I just out of them lot, it's mad. It's crazy how long it took. 6 years later, he's gone jail and he thought he wasn't going to go. He probably only going to do like 6 months. I think he had to serve 40%. And it was 15 months. So what's that? About 6 months, yeah. But there you go, guys. A bit about my life. So free Rock, free Ben Cook. He said... That's a W comment, that. How do I pin it? Pin message. Oh, gee, you're a fucking sick cunt, you. 4 subscribers though. 5 now. Come on. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm actually dropping some value and teaching people shit. And like people like fucking Bevo are famous, lads. So I've got to make it. I probably don't know what these buys this kid took, but don't care. What else has been going on in the world? What's everyone's feeling on all the fucking the war and shit? Like, I'm absolutely loving it because it's just the easiest thing to make posts about on Instagram. Like, I'm a trader page and currently I just post warmongering propaganda, which is probably a bit dumb. Right, copper. This one, I've fucking made so many big calls about this fucking year already. Like, it's just teetering, doing fuck all. But we are going to hit 28 or 24 up here. So just fucking start robbing copper wires. Be like that fucking Darren fella who got electrified, who looks like fucking Voldemort. Oh, bro, stop commenting shit like that, man. Stop it. Don't be meant like that's the one group of people that I can't be going for. And you're just there, always. First thing you commented on one of my Instagram things ages ago. Fucking, oh, you're just one of them juice boxes, you. You're trying to get me killed. You're trying to get me killed, man. Should we... Oh, look how good this fucking analysis was on Bitcoin as well. Like, who is your daddy? We can't... Yes, that... Yeah, we can support them, that is true. I take it back. I'm sorry, you can say what you want. It's a free country. L'chaim. But yeah, this, right, I sent it into the group. Here's my proof as well, so I'm not just fucking chatting out my bumhole. Crypto analysis. Bitcoin. Right. So here is the chart I sent into the group yesterday at 11 a.m. There you go. Timestamp, so I'm not famoosing you. I'm no scammer. I'm a fucking top gent. You're getting real shit here. But yeah, that was that. So it was up here. I was like, boom, it's going to come down, touches FVG, going to come back up, break above, retest, keep going. Like, obviously, he's done it a little bit faster, but he's pretty much done the same. Come back up here. I still wouldn't be surprised if it reacts from this FVG midpoint. Bit of a retrace back down to this level, but it's given an indication now of bullishness. It already had here. So this is a quick little run through that ICC shit. So yeah, clearly this level that price struggled to break, and every time it come back around it came down again. So when price got to here, sellers, they took over. Sellers were in charge, and then boom, finally we break and close above. Ooh, how interesting. So this for me now is an indication that price wants to continue upwards. Probably not too far, 74k. I don't hate that. Maybe to the 1 hour level at 75.6. We need to help Iran. How would we help Iran? Oh, this chair is so uncomfortable. Me and Finn went to this waterfall by mine. I'm not saying Finn like everyone knows him, but G knows. This waterfall by mine, walked down, sick day, right? I'm stood on this rock that's all like proper angled, like steep as, with me slides on, these exact slides, and look at the fucking bottom, like it is full smooth, no grip. Stood on there, a bit wet and that, chilling out, and I slip, and I smack the fucking my bum bone, coccyx, whatever it is. Oh boy, that was like 3 years ago. Before he moved, anyway. It was when I was living with him, and still now, if I sit down too long on a fucking hard chair, it feels like me and Purple Aki have had a fucking wrestle with no pants on. Yeah, so that's Bitcoin, bullish, continue upwards. Just more proof, I'm a don. Ethereum, I'm just not that interested in anything. This daily level worked over the weekend, but did I plot it? Because, yeah, that's me cheating. I didn't pull that. So I'm not really interested in many sells till the 33 area up here, and buys probably down at this 2040. We give them freedom. Okay. That's fair. But what can we specifically do with that, though? Like, say I was, I don't know, say I wanted, I don't know. If somebody wanted to help, how do they do that? I think everyone needs to just stop blowing each other up, really. It's quite simple, isn't it? Just fucking stop being knobheads, stop blowing each other up, stop killing kids, stop killing women. For the most part. That's not a funny joke. Oh, that fucking kid from Wrexham as well lived down the road from me when I was living with my bird. Oh, God, I literally can't move off his seat. It's like fucking... yeah, he killed his mom. Mental, like 18. And then, like, on the news today, it was like, oh, he had ADHD and autism. It's like, is that an excuse to plan and murder your mother with a hammer? Probably not. Oh, this level on ETH as well. I'll short that. Little 4-hour jobber. And then I'll probably long, or think about longs there. So maybe we're going to get a nice bit of consolidation between these levels and just ding, 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 ding. And it actually makes that noise when it bounces off all these levels as well. Don't know why. I'm not the market. That's ETH. Pretty boring. So, oh, it's done exactly what I wanted. Longs, me too, man, me too. So again, just another bit of proof, just to say, sure, I'm not making this all up for the stream. Ethereum, fuck all's happened. Sol is on the daily, so get on the daily. Boom. How do I? There we go. Sol chart sent in 12 o'clock yesterday. I wanted it to, so again, very, very similar to previous. So this level across here, as you can see, every time price gets up here, sellers are in charge, sellers are in charge, sellers are in charge. Sellers are in charge. Cool. Price breaks above and closes above. Now we got a flip. The buyers have taken over. They've gone, fuck you, sellers. We're smashing that level for you, and we're going to push things up. Does that mean price is going to break and continue to push and carry on forever? No. And does that mean we enter on the first break? No, we do not. What we do, so price will break above. This is the indication. It'll come back down within the zone. It normally does, and it normally finds a nice structure level. So this level, if you go across here, all these body closes, these wicks body closes, that level there is a nice structure level. I'll get back on the chart anyway. I was just showing that on this to be the proof. Fuck off. Yeah, so you enter when it breaks above the level like the second time. So it indicates it wants to go up, comes down. You can either try and find an entry off this level if you're a big market structure don like myself. And the level I was talking about is here. You just see there's a lot of wicks, there's a lot of drama in this level. So if price is going to push down, if it is going to react and go up again, it's going to go from here. Oh, big up Sam. Long in Solana from 74. I had 68 marked out and then just never took it and saw it all happen. Oh, fucking hell. I'm very uncomfortable. Yeah, we're fucking this off soon. I need to go buy a new chair tomorrow. I've got to sit in this cunt all day working. Oh, probably shouldn't have dropped that word. Oh, well. But yeah, so when next time it breaks above on the daily, it's a bit choppier. But on the 4 hour, done it again, so on a lower time frame. So now we're in buys, and really stop loss probably go there, 88 area. Could we get another liquidity grab? Yeah, it could stop me out. Cool. If we do, I'll fucking re-enter. And then 118 is brazen. But that daily level there, nice 1 to 3. So we're still bullish on Sol. ETH, I just think it's gay. Ethereum to 80k. CE of the wick. What fucking wick, lads? This one here. I'm already long though. Look at that stop loss placement as well. Literally, stop it loss below the zone. Fucking oof. But yeah, I don't get what you're seeing at 80, bro. Oh, CME gap, not CE. I'm just fucking reading bollocks. So there's a CME gap here, is there? Interesting. Futures. It's all just fucking made up, lad. Futures are gay. Indices, what are we calling? Yeah, nice buy on US 30. Again, it's the same fucking thing, right? You got this level here. Price, clearly, sellers are in control when price goes back up here and it pushes down. Nice spike up, price clearly breaks and closes above. Wait for it to come down to a structure level, retests, goes off. TP should probably be at the high, but I'm expecting it to go up to this zone. And you could, stop losses could be tighter, could be dropping down the time frames. Probably not with that spike, actually. But yeah, it doesn't have to be massive risk to reward. We're trying to win. CME gap. I know. I've fucking figured it out. Yeah, and how can I be bullish on one and then bearish on NAS? I know. Doesn't make particular sense. Look at these sells though, with all the same fucking reasons again. All the same. But fuck them off for now. Makes a mess. But yeah, this sell. You can see this level was a little bit wider. So I included it all the way up to there, really. Price pushes up, clearly breaks above, closes above, all that shit, comes down, tests the level, so you're like, right, yeah, it's a bit of strength there, this is likely going to be bullish again, and then I just drop it to a lower, be fucking bullish. So, sorry, we'll be looking for buys now, and that's the same analysis as US 30, but for these sells, yeah, so price, you had this level here, price clearly drops below and closes below, really aggressive push back up into a very strong structure level with a lot of activity in it. Get the shorts there, stop, and then targeting the low. Obviously, I'm long on one, short on the other, kind of hedged, but I could see both hitting TP. They don't have to copy each other. Don't really trade that. I was very wrong on Nikkei. It's not my pair. I used to use it to line up with GJ and shit like that when I was trading them, but yeah, not anymore. I don't even think I've analysed that, have I? Nah. Was the same fucking... These levels were all plotted, though, for that same sort of reason, so... Buyers were in charge here. When it breaks, comes, retests, boom, see you later. Little this structure level. Same again with this level, breaks, confirms it's going to come down, comes back up into the level, fucking drops. And it just, yeah, once you get your head around that, like, market structure price and like, all the shapes and shit, and, like, confirmations. But yeah, trades by sight, ICC concepts. Even if it's not how you trade, it fucking gives you an understanding of the market that most people just don't have. Currency's been dead today. Nobody wants some. Oil's been an interesting one. I'm still parabolically bullish on oil. I think it's been a little fuckery. Oh, we give them a 15-day peace plan and all this shit. Just been to get the price lower again so Donald and the boys can get the buys going. But yeah, I think that's all from me. I'm pretty bored now. That level's worked a treat since we've been on stream. But yeah, so you got the level, you got the consolidation, indication, correction, continuation. Learn that pattern and you will make money. But yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Appreciate it. Same-ish time again tomorrow. Anyone who wants to join my shit, the link is in the description. If you want to join any of the brokers, do it. VT Markets pays me the most. I prefer that one. But any of them, the other two are better. I got to admit it. But yeah, appreciate it, guys. Enjoy it. Have a good evening. Sleep well. Catch you all tomorrow.